Good morning from the Netherlands. Today we're going to make a walk around video from this Honda CB900 Boldor F2 in the beautiful red and white colors with the golden wheels. The bike is from the Netherlands, has Dutch papers and is completely restored, so paintwork is new. There are some parts on the bike that are not original, like brakes, suspension, and the window. But we have the original one. All the original parts are with the bike. The bike is in a very nice condition. 41,404 kilometers. With the bags on the side in the fairing. Some small scratches on the paintwork, but not much. Very nice Boldor. Exhaust looking very good, clean, no rust, no holes. Tires are like new. And these bikes are very comfortable and look really nice. Let's start it up. Engine is still pretty cold, so it's a bit low in RPM now. When they're cold, you always hear a bit the chain. The bike is for sale. If you're interested in this bike, visit the website vintagemotorcycles.nl. It will be online next week. And someone wants to pass. Okay, thank you for watching and contact us if you're interested.